Hi there, and I give you the mighty Minecraft cake. We are so proud of ourselves, and yeah, it's pretty amazing. My little brother might say something about it.
It's so cool. It's got jelly beans.
Yeah, by the way, that's red jelly beans, and we're very proud of ourselves. So, Granny made it, and we're just very proud, and we've done it. And our granny made it. It's pretty amazing, to be honest, and I'm proud of my granny for making it, and it's pretty awesome. So yeah, we've never made one before, and I pretty much love Minecraft. So yeah, bye, and
I love this cake.
I hope you love the cake, and leave a comment if you like it or not. Thanks. See ya.